expert analysis as only NFL Network can deliver. Digital, Monday at 7 Eastern on the Inside.
We out here.
What is that? The football?
Football game.
I'm gonna clean the grill right now.
Okay. Well, this raven, yeah, want some?
Which one?
Oh, tortilla. You got one.
We got tortilla. That's over here already.
You
Got
got.
clamato juice if you want to mix them.
Oh, that sounds good too.
Got tahini, lemon.
You got cups. I want some soda.
But you have to drink a little bit like it.
Yeah, hold on. Damn, shit.
Yeah, you gotta drink a little bit, right? To put clamato.
Why you gotta drink a little bit?
Cause he was gonna overflow it.
Oh.
I'm just like.
No, I think I said liquid and I didn't do it. I just like, oh shit. I thought it was all the way down and
Oh yeah, they won.
this right here though, like, oh, like, this place is up there.
I think I got asada preparada, that's why.
Oh, okay.
But still, that still expensive, $40.
Hell yeah, like $43, man. Crazy.
These ones, the ones you wanted, right?
Yeah, for sure.
I forgot to get them.
It's good. It's good like
He
that.
got bread.
Oh, it's good. We do it with bread, man. We do it. Ghetto style. You feel me? Hell yeah. Sophie.
I'll take this one too.
Let's go about Mexican juice. Mexican juice.
Oh,
Oh
wow.
yeah, that's fine. I can get this one. It could be more liquid as scoop.
That look
Oh,
like
what the
water.
heck? It looks like water, but it's piña colada.
Pina colada.
You can mix it with them.
Yeah, man.
Oh, guacamole needs to be inside.
I was like a hangover, man. All three of them.
Even the third one? The third one sucks.
That's weed. I
That was
have
alright.
weed for that shit.
You think the ending of the thing? Like, you know how they have the little preview in the ending? Oh, bro.
I forgot. I think I seen it, but I forgot.
And then puts the foot in the hand right there. That's it. Tell him, Franco! I give you what, like 2 hours? No, 2 days.
Yeah, you get food.
2 days.
Oh, food, yeah.
Yeah, and then Chow comes out and he's like, that was a sick night.
What?
And I was like, alright, he did it
Like
wrong.
paper or something.
What do you see? Chris says, go back,
Hold on.
Oh, I see a girl, I see it.
Where?
I see some ass.
That girl?
I see some the JJ, you know what I'm saying? I see little ass feet.
It's like a little foot though. I couldn't do it though. I was like, oh.
You should have just done that.
Yeah, I should have done
this
yeah.
right here.
What you thought you saw?
I saw
2 days, that shit. And it has the butt all the way down, and it has right here on the foot. I tried it, I couldn't do it. Funny, huh?
That nigga really do that.
That's the only thing I want to do. That bit right there. Oh, and I have actually the other one. I have another one too. The A-Bay.
Let's say we can get
$55. $55 for this shit. $55 right now. eBay. That's $55. $55. Bits, everything.
You see the Pepsi?
7 days.
Okay.
7 days for that shit. Yeah. No, before I tried them, I tried it first at 85, and they bid it down, and now they fried it out at $55. And now this little bitch is right here. I don't want this no more because what is the price for this one? No, this is like $5. This is $5. No, this is $55. This is like $10 for this shit. And it's gonna ship this shit.
That's my mom
Not
food.
ship. It's gonna be a ship for
Cake too.
like $7.
Take
I don't even eat cake like that. When someone's birthday, I'm like, I'm good. I'll throw it at you. Yeah.
And then I get the other one from the other fucking dog right here. This shit right here.
Was that Chucky?
No, Mr. Buddy.
Who's the good guy?
That's Chucky, man.
Oh, it's Mr. Buddy for $16 for this shit. I'll check it out.
Want more?
I'm good.
Not yet. I was
I'm
gonna
good.
put some in the freezer.
No, not that
Take it
time.
over. Alright.
That's my, no, that's my mom. That's Wilson. That's Wilson? What? And the price? $65 for this shit. All I have to do is Google. And I see the thrift. I put the good key.
If
It's
you want
$2.99
red,
and it's only $5.99. What's that shit?
back in. So it could be faster.
I know the pricing when I do hunt.
I got break right there. Are you waiting for everything to be?
Did you get the real one?
Wait, bro. Which other ones are playing? I think there's like a boxing match today. I'm not sure.
Liquid.
The line just made a touchdown.
If you're on a diet, here. If you're not, here.
Okay. Some tahini, some tajin.
I don't really use it like that.
I usually just put some enchilada.
What? Well, you have the nasty ass shit and the hate and shit like that.
Oh, Seahawks, Titans. What do you think? Seahawks, Titans. Not today. Shit. You're watching District? Yeah, I think the Titans might win though. So it is pretty. How about Bills and Steelers?
I feel like the Seahawks might win that one, bro.
The Seahawks?
Yeah.
How about the other one, the Bills and Steelers? I gotta go on my Steelers, bro.
Yeah, I gotta go with the
Because Jets, Panthers, kind of seen them play. But I know Jets, they stuck with last year. For Panthers? You think the Jets win? Yeah. How about
The
the...
Jets is 1-0 right now.
Okay, they're doing good then. How about the Commanders and Dolphins?
Miami's 1-0. Commanders 0-1,
Hey, the way that doesn't work that. The way it doesn't do that.
So which one?
Right there, and the piss and then the piss.
Which one?
I'm asking you. Get the bathrooms. I just piss. I can do it.
So you think Commanders?
Maybe the Commanders is a chance. They only lost by 3 points, so it's not bad for preseason.
Yeah, true. Cardinals and Colts? Colts.
I don't know, I was out to go for Arizona Cardinals for that one.
I have to go with Colts now too. How about the Rams and the Chargers?
Rams, definitely.
And then two last teams. Buccaneers and the Jaguars. They still got that one fool? That's
QB?
yeah.
I think it's higher. 493.
For
That
what?
was $40 a yard.
The ball?
Yeah, this one you got $44 eBay right now. There's $20, but it's $45 right now.
Okay. Are you?
Oh, he's selling stuff.
I'm selling. Nah. The bull.
What's
What?
oh,
eBay is right
Cowboys and the
there.
Raiders.
$400 for this shit. It was $20 a yard, and it's $44 right now. The bull is right there. No, acá está.
The Mundo, the baseball.
Oh, no.
$20 to $43 earth in the earth. Mira, mira. Eso le hace la.
You remember that?
I don't remember. I got kicked out because of you. Like, get out. Get out. And I started laughing. You too. I was like, what? Why me?
Pass me the thing. It's on the water.
The camera.
Yeah. We out here.
That shit broke.
Oh, that's what you're talking about.
Yeah.